Hello, friends.
Welcome to our fun car race.
Today, we are going to have an exciting race with our super cool toy cars. Look at these awesome cars. This is a red racing car, so fast and cool.
And here's a blue monster truck. It's big and strong.
Before we start, we need to build an amazing track. Let's add a big jump.
And a tunnel. This will be so much fun.
All right, racers. Get ready. On your marks. Get set. Go. Whoa. What an amazing jump. Will the monster truck make it through the tunnel? And here comes the winner. The blue monster truck wins the race. Party Popper, what an exciting finish. That was so much fun. Do you want to see more car races? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye. Waving.